Welcome friends, this is the continuation of our series DHTML. In this tutorial we will learn about event handling in DHTML. Without events there would be no dynamic HTML. So in DHTML the first D stands for dynamic, which refers to the event based programming model of the DHTML. So what is an event? Event is an occurrence of a process. For any dynamic mechanism, some kind of trigger is needed. There are two kinds of triggers for events. The first is user-generated. This type of triggers are like clicking the mouse or mouse up or mouse down events. These events are generated by the user. The other is system-generated. This type of events are like when the page is being completely loaded or the page is being unloaded, window is being closed and such. In scripting, you need a way to connect the occurrence of an event. That is, an element needs to subscribe to an event. Events are said to be bound to an element. An element may trigger events when you click it, or either you put the cursor on it, that is, you are putting your mouse on it. So basically, if we need to capture an event and do some processing on it, we need to add a function and then subscribe to that event. So in our example, we will put up a text box, and when we type in that text box, we are subscribing to the event of that text box, that is on keypress event. Whenever a key is pressed, we are showing an alert box. So let's start. First, start the HTML tag, then the head. Then in the script, put JavaScript. Then there is the function. The function is called subscriber here. This function will be called when a keypress event occurs. It says you pressed a key. This is a pretty basic function. We are just getting ourselves notified and familiar with events. And then and the script and the body, we need to have an input box. Input type is equal to text. On keypress event, a function needs to be called. The function we call is subscriber. So when a key is pressed, we call the function subscriber, which will show the alert that you pressed a key. This is the most important part here. Then end the body and the HTML. Then save the file. When we preview this file, it will look like this. So here, when we press a keyboard key, it will show the message. Here we pressed a key. Another times we pressed a key, it will show this message. That's how it goes. So it was about event handling in DHTML. Thank you.